How would you like to get one of these kits for absolutely free? Nooie is giving away 10 of them to my viewers. If you're interested, keep on watching and I'll explain exactly what you need to do. Right, before you purchase it, all you have to do, there's an email in the video description below. You need to email that person with my special code to say you're going to be purchasing this item. So you do that before you buy the item. Once you get a reply back from that email, you then go and purchase the actual item. You mustn't use any codes. So if it says 5% discount, you must not click on that. You just purchase it at the full price. Once you've purchased it, you then have to do a review. It has to be an honest review. You don't have to say it's a fantastic piece of equipment or anything like that. Just give it an honest review. Once you've done the honest review, you will then have to reply back to them, say, I've done this review, and tell them who you are so they know exactly where to find the actual review. They will check it out. Once they've checked it out to see that you've done the review, they will then reimburse you your money. There's two ways you can be reimbursed. One is through PayPal. So you give them your PayPal details and you will get not just the refund for the actual item you purchased it, but also any PayPal fees. That's what they tell me. Or the other way is you can have an Amazon voucher. It's up to you. That is all you need to do. Like I said, they are giving away 10 of these. So if it's something you're interested in, like I said, check out the email, the special email below with my code, contact them. They will get back to you and give you a bit more information. You go and purchase it, you do an honest review, and once you've received it and you've done the review, you contact them back and say, look, I've done my review and this is it. And you should get your money back. If you do that, let me know in the comments that you've done it, because it'd be interesting to see how many people actually buy the kit. And obviously, I want to make sure that everyone, or at least the 10 people that have done the email, at least they've got the kit and it's all working fine and they've also got all their money back. So with that, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.